It's grimy. Salt everywhere. We don't do salt too much on these roads here in this state, but we're gonna do a car wash here. Alrighty. Oh, Subaru. Alrighty. Back up, back up. This is also a pet wash. Alright. Do.
Welcome. Please select your payment method.
Alrighty. We'll do cash today.
Please insert money and select wash.
I gotta find the money. It's in one of my pockets. One of my pockets. I've got so many pockets I don't know where things are anymore. Oh gosh, seriously? Not I bet you it's in my back pocket where it's supposed to be. No, what the heck? I'll check this back pocket there. Oops. Wasn't me. Alright. Alright.
Please insert money and select wash.
There you go. If you would take that, please. It'll do.
Please take your change from the tray below.
Please take your change from the tray below. Okay, all ones.
The wash guarantee code is printed on the receipt. The wash is available. Please enter wash now.
Alright. My mom hates these things. Alright, might as well roll up the window. There we go. Take it real slow on the undercarriage. Most people hurry through these to get it done, but if you take it real slow, you can get all the undercarriage done. Oh, we're done. Took it a little too slow. Forward, move forward, move forward. Come on. When should we stop? Oh, stop. Let's move forward just a little bit more. There we go. Alrighty. One of my biggest pet peeves is when people do car wash videos. When they use their windshield wipers while the car's being washed. I like it when the soap actually washes the window. And it's done the right way, you know? Alright, it smells like oranges. I love, whenever I get a car wash, I always put this on outside, turn up the air so you can smell the soap. It smells like oranges. It's like a sensory overload of smells. Ah, it smells like oranges. Hello. There we go. Hello. Covered in oranges. This is probably for the bug guts and salt and all that crap. Might as well shut the engine off, huh? There we go. Some other different kind of coating. I'll turn the air back on. I want to smell this. Ooh, that's a thick coating. Whatever the heck that is. Bing, bing. At oil temp. Whatever the heck that means. It's always said at oil temp. That doesn't ever make any sense. Whether it's hot or cold, it always says that. Check engine, brake, oil, battery. And it's just going through the, the check lights before you start it. Ah, here's some water. Here's your first rinse. Uh-oh, we got a leak. We've got a little bit of a leak. Leaking just a little bit right there. This is very, very high pressure though, so that doesn't leak normally. Oh, here comes the soap. Here comes the rainbow soap. with rainbow. Blue and yellow and pink and purple. So many different colors. But that didn't stay very long. Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. Oh, it tells you what it's doing over there. I can't see it though, but I don't want to. Maybe it's spot free or something like that. Let me see. Surface protectant. Then spot free. Then air drying. And then thank you. The last one, the colorful one with polishing. The very first one was laser wash, touch free. Or cleansing or something like that. That's Rabbit. Oh wait, it's not started. Oh man, no, just kidding. I know it's not started. And another rinse. Put that under my wallet. Still smells like oranges. I like that smell. And here comes a spot-free rinse. As you can see, it comes off the windows really fast. Oops, I just remembered I needed to pre-wash this before I came in here. Oops, forgot to do that. Still wash though. Usually the spot free or the pre-wash is just for stuff like that. Alright, start it back up. Go through the air blow drying. I've got the window rolled down. That's always fun to do. My little sister's in the back seat, by the way. Roll down that back window and get the whole car. And we're gonna go back into reverse. We've got 24, 23 seconds left, so got definitely enough time to do more of the car. That's always fun. Alright, we're done. Alright, that was fun. Cool. That was a little bit of a wash there. A lot of bit of a wash. See you later, YouTube. Bye.